Our first story takes us to the bustling streets of Jakarta, Indonesia. Meet Amina, a hard-working widow who, despite her own financial challenges, has always prioritized Zakat Fitrah. Every year, she sets aside a portion of her earnings, no matter how meager, to help those in her community who are less fortunate. Her belief? That in sharing, we find abundance. And true to her belief, Amina's generosity has been met with unexpected blessings. Her small food stall has gradually expanded, providing her a comfortable living and enabling her to give even more. Next, we travel to the arid landscapes of Sudan. Here we find the resilient Ismail, a farmer who once struggled to make ends meet. One year, during the holy month of Ramadan, Ismail received Zakat Fitrah from his fellow villagers. This timely assistance allowed him to invest in better farming tools and seeds, setting him on a path to self-sufficiency. Today, Ismail is not just a farmer, he's a beacon of hope for his community, regularly contributing to Zakat Fitrah himself. Our final stop is in the heart of London, where we meet the warm-hearted Sarah, a successful entrepreneur. Sarah's business was not always thriving. There were times of hardship when she was starting, but she received Zakat Fitrah from her local mosque. This gesture of community support was instrumental in her journey, providing her with the resources she needed to persevere. Today, Sarah's business is thriving, and she is a regular contributor to Zakat Fitrah, paying forward the kindness she once received. In these stories, we've seen the transformative power of Zakat Fitrah, a testimony to the profound impact of sharing and charity. Amina, Ismail, and Sarah, though separated by continents, share a common thread. Their lives have been profoundly touched by Zakat Fitrah. They've experienced firsthand how this simple act of giving can create a powerful domino effect, not just benefiting the recipient, but also enriching the giver's life in unexpected ways. These tales serve as a reminder that charity does not diminish wealth. Indeed, it fosters a sense of community, promotes empathy, and helps build a more equitable world. Each act of giving, no matter how small, can spark a chain reaction of kindness and generosity. So, as we part ways today, remember the stories of Amina, Ismail, and Sarah. May their experiences inspire us to embrace the spirit of sharing, to extend a helping hand whenever we can, and to appreciate the profound impact of our collective acts of charity. For in giving, we not only help others, but also enrich ourselves in ways unimaginable.